Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nadiya Baloch, Dr. Mahrang Baloch sister, speaking to you today to share an important message. From the last couple of days, a coordinated campaign of propaganda and disinformation has been launched to discredit Dr. Mahrang and delegitimize her peaceful struggle locally and internationally. People connected to the state, both inside and outside Pakistan, are using media and diplomatic channels to undermine Mahrang Baloch peaceful struggle on the international stage. The reason is clear. Mahrang is Balochistan face of peaceful struggle. Our peaceful activism directly challenges those who want to control Balochistan through a force and intimidation. Let me be very clear. Mahrang has never promoted violence. Every protest she has led, from the long march to Islamabad in December 2023 to Baloch Raji Muchi in July 2024 and the Baloch gathering in Dalbandin, has been non-violent. This is why Time magazine and BBC 100 Women recognized her and she was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. This recognition was due to her commitment to peace, justice and non-violent struggle. But instead of listening, the state has chosen repression. Mahrang has been falsely labeled terrorist. She was detained, tortured and humiliated in December 2023. More than 40 fake cases have been filed against her. She was held in prison for 3 months without a reason. And now she is facing more attacks simply for demanding rights peacefully. By shutting down peaceful dissent, the state tries to pressure Mahrang and others toward violence, but Mahrang, committed to peaceful resistance, refused to abandon her principles. In Balochistan, peaceful youth are punished, silenced, humiliated and criminalized until they feel there is no other way. The state is not just ignoring their voices, it is actively pushing them toward militancy by closing off every peaceful path. And now, they are trying to do the same to Mahrang. But Mahrang is not alone. She is not a threat. She is a hope for justice, peace and the right to speak without fear. This campaign attacks not just Mahrang but the very idea of peaceful resistance. Regardless of how much the state provokes us, we remain committed to peaceful struggle. We will not be silenced. I urge you all to stand with Mahrang and all those who believe in peaceful resistance. Share her story, reject disinformation and support the struggle for justice and peace. Thank you.